Today I'm going to take you through my planning process on how I complete 2 grade levels in 1 school year for reading. If you've been watching my videos, you get to see those lessons live in action. So I wanted to give you a little bit behind the scenes on how I actually plan those lessons. So little disclaimer, I do not use curriculum. So our lessons are planned around real life experiences, books that she chooses to read, and TV shows, movies, whatever it is that we are doing, and just like our day-to-day activities. If you do use curriculum, you can use this as well to substitute a lesson if you want to, or you can just use your curriculum to build this out. So I'm going to go ahead and just share with you. I have 2 documents. I believe in working smarter and not harder. So I created 2 documents to help me through my planning process. So this is the first one. It has all of my reading standards on there. Now, if you have a curriculum and you're doing 3rd grade, you may have all of the 3rd grade standards. My document has grades 4, 5, grades 3 through 8. So it has all of them on there so we can see how they build on each other. So I know you may be asking, well, okay, we can see how they build on each other, but what does that look like in action? How do we actually turn those lessons and bring them to life? So that's my second document. So in the second document I created, it's the same for all of the standards, but now it has activities that you can use for each standard for your child to master those standards, and they automatically build on each other. So let me give you an example. This week we are focusing on character traits, motivations, and feelings, and all of those things on that particular standard. Day 1, we set the tone for the week. We did our story element chart. We went through the process of identifying our character descriptions. We had a writing prompt. She had to write about her character and how she related to it most and why. And she had to create evidence from the movie. That's going to let me know if she mastered that standard. Then we take our writing and we turn it into a grammar lesson. We do not use a separate grammar curriculum. We use the writing that she does for the day, and we use that to fix our sentences. And we make a real life connection, always make a real life connection. So our lesson this week is on the movie. We are Hallmark people. It's Christmas in July. So we built our lessons around a Christmas tree lane. The next day we went into lesson 3. So now we've set the tone for the week. We're not moving into a different reading, a different movie. We are building our standards, teaching our standards by building on what we are already working on. So for grade level 3, she had to explain how the actions contribute to the sequence of events. So if you go back and watch our video, I showed you exactly how we did that. And today we are on the same standard for grade level 4 and what that looks like, comparing and contrasting character experiences. So as you can see, the standards are building on each other. We don't have to teach 1 in 3rd grade, 1 in 4th grade, and 1 in 5th grade. So if you've been following along, stay tuned for what 4th grade looks like today in action, and then I'm going to hop back on. I'm going to do another video to show you how I plan for the transition from 3rd grade to 4th grade to 5th grade, and then you can go back and look at the videos to see what it looked like for us to bring those videos to life.